So solidarity with the question. Question is indeed.
It might be the most important paper for our process.
Yeah. You know. There's two papers. And that's not even this one.
Just kind of exchange between leaders and people who are leading, donators and artists, you know, just kind of flow between people who are connected somehow, also in financial way, who is giver, who is taker, and how we can think about that, like about exchange. But for me, the most one is that one about cultural institution and well-being. What are the frames? What could be the frames? How we can imagine the frames of conditions which are based on dignity and care, and are not only, you know, created in terms of economical growth, but also taking into account people's needs and conditions and let's say social justice, like, you know, in a very simple words, when you have in your cultural institution people who are parents, who are immigrants, who are people with disabilities, how can you create solidar conditions for them and for all, in fact?